When it comes to project management tools for small teams, choosing the right one can be a tough decision, especially with so many options out there. Today, we'll be comparing two popular tools, Monday.com and Quire, and seeing which one stands out as the best option for small teams. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a better alternative you might want to consider. Let's start by talking about Monday.com, one of the most well-known project management platforms out there. It's packed with features designed for collaboration and task management, but here's the thing, Monday.com is definitely a more robust tool. While that's great for large teams or businesses, it might feel overwhelming for a small team just looking to get organized without all the bells and whistles. The interface can be a bit too complex, with a learning curve that might take more time than you'd like to invest, especially when you're on a tight schedule or budget. Next thing, Monday.com offers a variety of templates, automations, and integrations, which is definitely a strength. These can help you streamline processes and save time, but with small teams, all those features can sometimes feel excessive. If you're not using them fully, you're paying for features you don't need. On top of that, pricing can be a little on the higher end, especially for smaller businesses trying to keep costs low. Now let's move on to Quire. Quire offers a more streamlined approach to project management. If you're working with a smaller team, it's simple, clean, and easy to use right out of the box. The drag-and-drop interface is intuitive, and you can get started without a huge learning curve, making it ideal for teams who want to hit the ground running. The free version of Quire is also a big plus. It allows small teams to manage tasks without breaking the bank. Next thing, Quire is more focused on task management with a minimalistic approach. While Monday.com offers tons of customizations and features for all types of users, Quire keeps things simple. You can break down tasks, assign them to team members, and track progress with ease. However, the simplicity comes with a trade-off. Quire lacks the more advanced features that Monday.com offers, like automation, integrations, or detailed reporting, which might leave you wanting more if your team needs those. The fourth thing to consider is collaboration. Both platforms offer solid collaboration tools, but Monday.com has more ways to communicate within the platform. Think updates, mentions, and integrations with other communication tools. Quire, on the other hand, keeps it simple. You've got comments and mentions, but there's not much beyond that. So if you're running a small team but want an all-in-one communication and project management tool, Monday.com might be more your speed. Finally, let's talk about cost. As mentioned earlier, Monday.com can be on the pricey side, especially if you're not using all the advanced features. Quire is much more budget-friendly, particularly if you're running a very small team. The free version offers a lot, and even the paid plans are relatively inexpensive compared to Monday.com. So, both Monday.com and Quire have their strengths and weaknesses, depending on your team's needs. Monday.com offers a more feature-rich, customizable experience, but that can be overwhelming for smaller teams who only need the basics. Quire, on the other hand, offers simplicity and ease of use with a lower price tag, but you lose out on advanced features. Now, after trying both myself, I found that for small teams with simple needs, there's actually a better alternative that balances everything out: alternative software. It's got an intuitive interface, all the key features without overwhelming complexity, and best of all, it's perfect for small teams looking to stay organized and save on costs. If you're looking for the best solution for your team, I highly recommend checking out alternative software through the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get your team set up for success.